Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I will share you how you can remove pimples, blemish, acne easily from your face. So let's start. I select this image for clear its acne. First you should to do the duplicate layer. Simply drag and drop in layer section. So it's duplicated the layer. Then select the duplicate layer and go to normal. Change it vivid light, then go to image, adjustment, then invert. Okay, now go to filter, then other, then high pass. Increase it until all marks is clear. Okay, now again go to filter, then blur, then Gaussian blur. Okay, now back to layer, mask it, select mask and go to image, then adjustment and invert. Now go to brush tool. Remember your foreground color should be white. Okay, now start your painting. Now see the result. So guys, this is enough for clear your face. If you found valuable this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.